Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the fade animation on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select whatever text or media you want to create the fade effect for, and then select the animations tab for the top, selecting the drop down now underneath animation styles. There should be an entry in here that says fade. Go ahead and select that. And you can see that it previews the page and it fades when you go to it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.